Hello friends, I am Dr. Preeti Shrivastava. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on cost sheet. First of all, we should know about the what is cost sheet. Basically, cost sheet is the statement where we analysis of the cost which is incurred during of the production of the product. It provides the information of the cost per unit and the total cost of output of various stages. This is along with the breakup of the cost. Basically, cost sheet is the statement with the cost of total per unit of the cost and presented by the analytical way. Here we analysis of all the expenditures where we analysis all the expenditure which is incurred during of the production. Here we analysis of the cost like prime cost, factory cost, administration cost and selling cost. With the help of these costs, we find out the cost per unit and the total output of the product. Here we analysis the cost sheet is a statement. We can with the help of the decision of the cost sheet we find out the various the cost. Here are the so many objective of the cost sheet. First, to know the total cost of the production and the total output of the production and the cost of per unit of the cost sheet. Second, we find out the various stages of the elements like prime cost, factory cost, selling cost and the administration cost. Here with the help of the cost sheet we find out the tender price, selling price and the estimated price with the various categories of these methods. Here we find out the categories, we classify the categories of the cost sheet and to determine the cost per unit. With the help of the cost sheet we take the financial decision of the company in a various mathematical approach, and with the help of the cost sheet we can find out the profit and loss of the company. We have already know what is the cost sheet and the objective of the cost sheet. Here we analysis of the components of the cost sheet. There are so many components of the cost sheet. When we follow the cost sheet, when we calculate the cost sheet, we follow these various statements with various elements of the cost sheet. Here first, raw material consumed. Second, prime cost. Third, factory cost. Factory cost is also calls the work cost. Then administration cost. It also calls the office cost and the selling cost. With the help of the these elements, we find out the profit and loss of the company. First, raw material consumed is the basically where we adding the opening stock and the purchase and less the closing stock of raw material. So we find out the raw material consumed. In prime cost, we added all the direct expenses to find out the prime cost, work cost to adding all the expenditure incurred in the factory, admin cost expenditure which is incurred in the office to know the office cost, selling cost the expenditure incurred in the selling department to sale of the product to find out the selling cost, and with the help of the sale we find out the profit and loss. After knowing the components and objectives and elements of the cost sheet, here are the performa of the cost sheet. With the performa of the cost sheet, we calculate the cost sheet. By these methods, we can calculate the cost sheet. The performa is basically in performa, there we analysis of the first raw material consumed. The raw material consumed, how to calculate the raw material consumed? There are some stages, there are some expenditure which include the raw material consumed. Like if illustration have a given raw material, opening stock of raw material, purchase of raw material, closing stock of raw material, then we find out the raw material consumed. Here if purchase is given, we have to add in the raw material. If closing stock of raw material is given, we have to less. Then we find out the raw material consumed. This is the first stage. Second stage, it's a prime cost. Prime cost, we add the all direct expenses. Direct expenses like octroi, all the shipping duties, carriage inward, direct expenses and the wages. To adding by these expenditure, we can find out the prime cost. After we add the expenditures incurred during of the industry, factory expenditures like factory rent, factory haulage, water, light, factory rent, depreciation, factory expenditures also, and machineries. So we add all the expenditures of the factory to find out the factory cost. After find out the factory cost, we have to add all the expenditures of the office. Office expenditure, there are so many office expenditures. The office expenditures are office rent, office light, director salaries, employee salaries, and the stationery, and there are so many expenditures on the office which is incurred during of the production of the product of an office. So we add in the office cost. So we find out the office cost. After find out the office cost, we should know about the selling cost. So selling cost, we add the selling expenditure. Selling expenditure like sales agents, advertisement, packaging, etc. There are so many expenditures we add in the selling cost. With the help of the expenditure, we can know the selling cost. If illustration have given the sales, so we have to minus these total cost of by sale. So we find out the profit and loss of the company. Before knowing of the component, objective and the performa, we have the illustration of calculating the cost sheet. The illustration is: below is enumerated expenditure for the year of the manufacture of the product. In this illustration, we have the so many expenditure is given with the figures, and we have to prepare the cost sheet. Like raw material is given, fuel is given, electricity, power, process, repairs, carriage inward, light and water, office salary, administrative expenses, rent, tax and insurance, depreciation, and there are so many expenditures is given according to the categories of the different cost. Now we will go for the solution. The solution, we have to follow the performa. The performa is categorized in the 3 columns like particular, total cost and the cost per unit. First, I have already explained, we have to follow the first stage, that is the raw material consumed. Here the all items of given of the raw material consumed. So first is raw material, adding the carriage inward. Carriage inward is given in the illustration, that is the 56,000, and the process and the general wages, that is 1,26,000. Adding the all expenditure, the prime cost will come 1,86,000. This is the first stage. Now second stage, we will go for the work cost. With the help of the expenditure, we find out the work cost. Here in this illustration, there are so many expenditure given of the work cost. We have to add it in the prime cost. With the help of the prime cost and adding of all these expenditure, we can find out the work cost. First, add the work. Fuel is given, that is 14,000. Electric power, this is also an expenditure of the factory cost, 2,800. Repairs, 4,800. Light and water, tax and insurance, depreciation on machine and rent. These are all the expenditure is given in the illustration. Then we have to add it in the prime cost. Added of the prime cost, we find out the work cost, that is the 2,18,000. After finding the work cost, we have to find out the administration cost. Administration cost, we have to look out the what are the expenditure is given in the question about the office. So in office, the office overhead, office salary and admin expenses is already given, that is 10,000 rupees. After adding the all expenditure of the work cost, we have to find out the administration cost. In administration cost, there are so many expenditure is given in the illustration. In illustration, the office salary and the administrative expenses, there are the 2 expenditure is already has given. We have to add in the work cost, so we can find out the administration cost. The administration cost will come is the 2,42,000 with adding of all the expenditure of the office. Now next, we have to come in the selling cost. We have to add in the selling expenditure. This is already has given in the illustration. We have to look out. In the illustration, there are the two elements, 2 expenditure is given, that is salaries of sales agents and the carriage on the sale. We have to add in the administration cost, then selling cost will come, that will be 2,44,000 will come. This is the overall the solution of the cost sheet. So basically the cost sheet, in the cost sheet we analysis of all the elements. Okay? This is the overall the cost sheet. In this lecture, we have learned about the so many aspects of the cost sheet. We will continue further in the next lecture. Thank you.